Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious and creamy cornmeal porridge. To everyone who have said that they just cannot get it right, no worries, you're in the right place. And for the purpose of the video, I did do a measurement which I will place in the description box. After adding the water to the pot, I'm going to add my salt, and then we're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of cornmeal in this bowl with 2 cups of water. We're going to mix that out before adding it to the pot. So with this method, it's less likely for your cornmeal porridge to get lumpy. All right, so the next thing to prevent it from being lumpy is to stir while you're pouring. So while I'm pouring my cornmeal in the water, I'm stirring it at the same time. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and continue stir for another minute, and then I'm gonna leave it on medium to low heat for about 5 minutes. Now after that 5 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go in with some coconut milk. You can use any milk of your preference. I personally like to use evaporated milk and coconut milk, any of the two, but you can use your almond or your whole milk, whichever pleases you. Now your cornmeal porridge can take anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to give it another 5 minutes after pouring in the coconut milk, and then we're going to add our spices. And as you can see, it is still smooth and there is no lumps. Now that the coconut milk is all mixed in, I'm gonna go ahead and just cover it, turn the stove down again, and after that 5 minutes, we're gonna go in with our spices. I'm gonna be grating my nutmeg. If you don't like to grate off, fine. Go ahead and use the store-bought one, it's fine. Also, I'm gonna be adding my cinnamon powder, vanilla, and almond essence. So after adding all the spices, I'm going to give it another 5 minutes so that the cornmeal porridge can get to absorb all those delicious spices. And then in the last 5 minutes, I'm going to add my sweetener. To sweeten my porridge, I'm adding in some brown sugar. I will also be adding some condensed milk. I love condensed milk. I can't have my porridge without some condensed milk. So go ahead, sweeten to your preference, and sweeten with whatever you want to sweeten with. All right. So basically, this is the last 5 minutes of the cooking process.
What's going here? What that mean?
Porridge.
Me no surprise, girl.
So make it up for every day, no?
Hey. What kind of porridge?
Cornmeal. She ain't gonna let me wrong. No, how much wrong? You ask me what that be and me say porridge.
So this is our porridge?
But then you ask me what it be and me answer you and you act like me wrong. Me wrong then you? No, you never ask me what kind of porridge. You say what that be. No. So now I'm gonna go ahead and taste it, and if it need a pinch of salt or if it need more sweetness, just go ahead and taste it and adjust it to your taste. All right, and of course I have to get the first bowl, and I love to enjoy my porridge with bread, hard-boiled bread or cinnamon crackers, whichever one works fine for me. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. I would really appreciate that. All right, enjoy the rest of your weekend and stay safe and show some love.